All right. This is a practice question. This is from 5.3 day one, ACT practice question. This is about lines that are parallel and we have a transversal. Uh, w- okay, which of the list has three angles that are equal in measure? Okay, so you can almost just like look at it, right? So like basically A and B are going to be the same. That's vertical angles. And then angle D is also going to be the same. That's either alternate interior angles or corresponding with A. So the red ones are the same, and then these other ones, so this one doesn't have a letter, but angle C, E, and whatever that one is right there, those are all the same too, all the purple ones. Okay, so a list would be like A, B, D. Actually, letter A would work because we have A, B, D. Those are the red ones. A and C aren't, and maybe we could go through and check. A and C aren't good. C and B also aren't good. I mean, just by looking at it, those aren't right. So the only one that makes sense here is letter A. Thanks for watching.